Welcome students. Now session discuss metallurgy, extraction of method, fourth fluidization process, importance of sulfide ores. Example, lead sulfide, zinc sulfide. So ore important ore name is lead sulfide is a galena, zinc sulfide ores is a zinc blend. In this method is the metallic particles is also wetted. The crushed ore suspended water or mixed with water is a fourthing agent attractive agent attached agent is pine oil and eucalyptus oil are most important oil uses. Some organic compounds, small quantity of sodium ethyl xanthate is act as a collector is a sodium ethyl xanthate is a collector. The generated to the through the mixture is the motor is the molecules is attached as the collector from the molecule of the particles or the water repellent. The result of particles is wetted by this oil skimmed of the dried concentration of O, and the next will be the wetted the water settled of the bottom presented is the air supply is also apply is the collector of the importance ore. Next will be that the sulfide ore, metal sulfide or any impurities of depreciation agent is the sodium cyanide and sodium carbonate are salts like selectively uses. The prevent the sulfide is coming forth. Example impurities zinc sulfide present in galena, lead sulfide, sodium cyanide will be added of the depressing forth. The zinc sulfide is forming of layer, the form of the complex. What is the complex name? Sodium tetracyanidozincate is the complex formation. The surface of zinc sulfide is formed. Next, leaching method. The type of leaching method discussed, the very important is the method is the solubility solvent. Suitable solvent will be reaction in aqueous solution it will be taken. The dissolve of the suitable solvent is called the soluble salt or complex is while the gangue in remaining insoluble. That process is called leaching process. That metal will be the suitable the complex formation dissolve in the suitable solvent, but others impurities is called gangue is a insoluble. That process is called leaching. First will be discuss the cyanide leaching. Consider of the gold example, the sodium cyanide will be that gold is converted into the cyanide complexes. Gold will be converted into the cyanide complexes. The gangue is a aluminosilicate remaining insoluble is removed. The gold is the purified method. And next, the type of leaching also here, and directly the react with the gold can recovered of the deoxygenated to the leached of the solution with zinc. So zinc will be occupy of the position is a metal of the complexes remove of the gold. So tetracyanidozincate removed zinc and gold will be separated is the precipitated. Zero oxidation state is also cementation process. And ammonia leaching is also most of complexes also here hexaamine nickel, tetraamine copper, monoaqua, pentaamine cobalt, 3 complexes is most of complexes. Ammonia leaching method will be uses now. Containing of the nickel copper will be treated aqueous ammonia. Suitable process is selectively leaching method. And alkali means also base. Alkali means base. Uses of sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide at most of here is also eliminate the suitable alkali from the soluble of bauxite ore. The bauxite ore and sodium hydroxide is the alkaline is a form of the complex sodium meta-aluminate begin the impurities of iron oxides and titanium oxides is like that. And acid leaching The sulfide of ore, example zinc sulfide, lead sulfide, is treated with the hot aqueous sulfuric acid to give the form of zinc sulfide. The sulfide is removed. The sulfide is removed, and the insoluble sulfide is the soluble sulfate. Will be sulfide into the sulfate. Sulfide is removed, form of the soluble sulfate. The elemental sulfur in this process is an acid leaching process. Next, magnetic separation method is the apply of the magnetic property of two important important minerals, like that important ores, ferromagnetic based. The example like the tin stone is the wolframite impurities is the magnetic. Example like that, such as the chromite, pyrolusite, magnetic properties ore, importance ore. The non-magnetic is the silicious impurity is the poured in the electromagnetic separator. Is the magnetic two wheels is the powder crushed ore. The magnetic attraction important ore is like that, the in front the side, out the non-magnetic is the out front the side of the collectors. Is a magnetic separation method. Next, extractions of crude metal. How to the extraction? The extraction of conversion of ores into oxide of metal interest and reduction of metal oxide elemental metal. The two method importance. The metal exists of the positive oxidation state. This process is a thermodynamically reduction of oxides. Conversions of ore oxide. Example, roasting method is the conversion of sulfide ores. That the method heating and oxygen is suitable funds is the melting of the point is called metal. Example like that, one example, zinc sulfide important ore react with oxygen and heat involve the process to form complex and the remove of the sulfur dioxide and form of zinc oxide. The next is the remove of the impurities. The most of impurities, osmium trioxide, sulfur dioxide, phosphorus oxides is also, valentine oxides is also removed. So very important, the sulfur dioxide producing during the process, the rotting process harmful, very important, environment damaged. The modern metallurgical process dropped into that method, the sulfuric acid converted into the pollution. And next, calcination process, important 2 mark question is the calcination, concentrated over strongly heated, absence of air. But the roasting process, presence of air is here, absence of air. Example, calcium carbonate to converted into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. More example also here. The crystallization present, the hydrate oxide escape to the moisture. Next we will be discuss type of reduction. So melting process, the suitable reduction agent, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, aluminum is also important uses for. Based on the reduction agent is like that, the metal sodium, potassium, aluminum. Carbon monoxide cannot be reduced as for zinc oxide and alumina. Following applied to the Elegant diagram is the next discuss is the melting process. Example like that, the iron oxide hematite ore with react with the carbon monoxide to give precipitate of extracted from the iron. Next type is also like that, and the most it will be copper is the copper pyrite ore. Extraction of copper from the copper pyrite ore is the oxygen is the most type of the iron sulfide is ferrous sulfide is the copper sulfide. Copper matte is also a function is also discussed for, you will be 10th standard book, extracted from the copper. Now the method is also same like that, the process copper pyrite ore, concentrated ore heated with reverberatory funds is the acid flux. Silica from the ferrous silicate slag is next will be the sulfide is the copper sulfide and iron sulfide is the soluble copper matte. Is considered of matte as separated to the slag converted funds. The matte is called first oxidized of convert of ferrous oxide is a ferric oxide is converted of the silica copper sulfate The metallic copper is called is also zone given. The copper oxide is react with the copper sulfide is a copper matte to give the remove of sulfur dioxide to give precipitate of copper. Next, like that, the same very important of reduction of carbon. Example, zinc oxide add with carbon easily remove zinc metal is the more type of manganese, chromium, and reduction of hydrogens. It will be the hydrogen used. So easily argentite ore, silver extracted. Hydrogen with add is oxides with hydrogen react. Example, iron oxide, magnetite ore react with hydrogen is remove of ions, and precipitated of ions is a liquid is also removed. And the water gas reaction already known for the 11th standard, water gas shift reaction, carbon monoxide with hydrogen gas as the nickel oxide is the remove of the nickel. And reduction of metal, very important process, very important 3-mark question. Aluminothermic process is a 3:1 ratio is also important aluminum powders, and metal oxide with aluminum powder is also fire clay crucible is a container is a fire clay crucible is also magnesium ribbon with usually barium peroxide inside of the chromic oxide is a higher temperature is also applied to the position of fire clay crucible is the aluminothermic process. The process is applied to barium peroxide. H2O2 is a hydrogen peroxide. This is a barium peroxide. This is a barium peroxide with magnesium to convert of barium oxide to magnesium oxide. Is the aluminum powder is also reactive with the chromic oxide extracted from the chromium. And next will be the auto reduction. It's called self reduction. The auto reduction means the reducing agent not necessary. Do not reducing agent not possible. For example, mercury sulfide is the delta G values is considered thermodynamics is also positive. React with the oxygen, remove of the mercury, easily sulfur dioxide removed. The thermodynamically Elegant diagram very important. Thermodynamically very important of metallurgical process. Consider of Elegant diagram is the 4 equation very important. Carbon with oxygen, carbon dioxide form. Carbon with 2 times of carbon with oxygen, carbon monoxide formation is also 2 times of carbon monoxide with oxygen to give carbon dioxide is a carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. And consider of equation 1 example like that. Zinc oxide is also mention of it will be X is also zinc, Y is also oxygen to give the product zinc plus oxygen. The remove of the oxides is a metal oxides is the principle is metallurgical process. The reduction of metal oxide example like that, here zinc, here also oxygen, but the LHS side is also oxide atom 1 times, but RHS side 2 times. Who evenly mention of 2, so 2 into Y mention of dividing particles of 2Y is also 2Y. Metal is also mention of just identify of zinc metal X, oxide atom is Y, and the 2X, the 2 into X divided Y is a RHS side balanced. So example like that, zinc oxide will be mentioned to that equation 2 times of zinc and 2 times of zinc plus oxide oxygen atom is the equation is balanced. So 2x divided y is also mention of 2. So equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, which is the delta G more negative value is called reducing agent. For example like that, zinc used of the carbon, the equation 2 more negative value means used of the suitable delta G value is more negative value. Equation 1 delta G values is will be considered minus 100 Next this is delta G value is minus 200. This is a minus 50. This is a minus 25. This is a delta G values. This is a negative. More high is used of the carbon zinc reduced to the thermodynamically process is called reduced to the metal oxide is the introduced to the Elegant diagram. But the clue word very important is the this is a silver silver argentide is also Hg is also mercury is most like that the positive delta G values and the delta G naught values. And consider these elements most of d block elements, these elements most of d block elements. This is here also this is also alkali alkaline elements is a alkali alkaline elements is a carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide is considered. First of all equation, the carbon dioxide is the delta G value minus 400, so reducing of the iron oxide. And consider carbon monoxide is a very important reducing agent. Carbon monoxide, what is the minus in between gap of delta G values 200 to 300 negative values, but the carbon monoxide reduced to the nickel, iron, zinc, chromium is the in between the class of elements all are remove of the oxide atom is the introduced to the Elegant graphical diagram, very important. Next, the Elegant diagram is also delta G calculated. Delta G equal to delta H and T delta S. G gives free energy, T delta H is enthalpy, T temperature and S entropy. Is already known for the 11th standard section. Delta G not calculated minus RT ln chemical equilibrium of P is also reduction of metal oxide process equilibrium function. Observation of Elegant diagram, the metal oxide slope of positive function, the metal oxide decreases of the randomness becomes that delta S is also negative. The final value is the temperature of delta entropy is positive is the straight line equation of carbon dioxide. And next, carbon monoxide is the negative slope and the slope is also positive 2 mole of carbon monoxide. Form of the carbon monoxide is the most stable, high temperature is the important points. The delta G is also negative, the oxide is stable. So delta G is positive, the generator such as the metal oxide is also higher temperature has the decomposition process. So conclusion of the temperature metal oxides like that magnesium oxide, mercury oxide due to the phase transfer is the melting evaporation process. This application was very important. Consider like that silver oxide, mercury oxide is the upper of the part is the decomposition temperature 600 to 700 Kelvin. The oxides are unstable, so easily moderated temperature reducing agent. Important of carbon monoxide, easily remove of the mercury oxides. And example, consider chromium oxide react with aluminum. Aluminum oxide is a more stable than chromium oxide is a important points is a more important points also like that here. So very important of limitation is also important for question paper. So Elegant diagram thermodynamically consideration like that interpretation delta G is based on the Elegant diagram reactant and equilibrium based. Always the all product is not true, so it is a very important limitation. All elements do not possibles of delta G function in apply of the Elegant diagram. But next like that, so next like that Elegant diagram is considered thermodynamic consideration only. So fusible of the reaction, some fusible of the reaction, metal oxide remove to the metal and oxygen atom is the possibles of suitable add of carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide is the possible, like that the some metal atom only apply of the Elegant diagram. This is the limitation. The moreover the those not give the ideas about the possibilities of reactant is the might take places. Thank you to all.